I am on the top of the world. Okay, cool. Okay, I just copy that, delete this stuff, and in here we don't need to create this one, right? And even we even don't need to do this one as well because we already created. So I will also copy that here as well. Okay, so we don't need to create this for this icon. We will find the icon, and let's find this icon right first. So again, it's Rufu, and we need to, it's in icon. Icon, I think this is the icon. Okay, again come here and boom. Now again, you see I'm decreasing the size, and this is because of the stroke. We have a lot of stroke here, and to do that I will just hit enter, and once I hit enter, now I can change this to maybe 1.5. Perfect. And again I need to do it like this and give it this color. Okay, all right, I make sure it look the same. Perfect. So yeah, I need to give it just a color. Okay, and boom. I think let me see what's the difference between these two. So maybe we need to make the border to 2 pixel. Yes, I think this is now the same. So I will have to just drag it over here. Very easy, very easy. Okay, it's an easy task. It was an easy task. Perfect. Okay, so here what we understand so far, we understand this like progress bar. I'm sorry, we understand this status bar as well, and we also understand where it should be placed. We also understand where we have the back button and the title and how much size of the title. We also understand what should we give a proper margin to the buttons or to the input field, right? So this is very handy tool to do that, idea to do that, right? Again, I will just rename it with password. Okay, and I'll take it over here. Okay, perfect, and I will do that later. Okay, all right, so we need to create this cross with the circle. So to do that, I will just come over here to the shape tool, ellipse tool, and draw it like this. Okay, and make sure it is the same as this. Okay, perfect, this is the same. And now again I will create this what we call cross. So to the cross is very easy. I will come to the line tool and draw like this. Okay, perfect. Again, these are round, so I will give it a round, and round is here as well. What I will do is, again, I will just copy this. Perfect, it copied over here, and right now I will just give it another angle like this. Perfect, we have the cross created as well, and we will make sure that it is the same as this color. Boom. Now I will drag it over here, and I will select this as well, and Command G to make it group and cross. Okay, perfect. Very easy. I think the background, this color need to be changed to this background, so I will select this. Perfect, and boom, we created the cross. Now we need again to select text tool, at least 8 characters. Perfect. All right, and I will make sure to make it regular, and I also need to select the color from here. Okay, perfect. And I think this needed to be more smaller, so maybe 12 pixel, and see if this work. Yes, this is exactly the same that we needed. Perfect. I will just come on and G to group it, and I will replace it and replace it and replace it. Perfect. Now we have this create an account button, so I will take it from here. Okay, and we will name it create account. Perfect. Now I will place it over here. Don't worry about this text, we can do it in a short time, but for now we created the component for us. Okay, perfect. This is again text tool. By creating an account, you agree to the term of service and privacy policy. Okay, text is created. Now I will have to do like this, decrease, make sure it hit the same as this one. Perfect. And I will decrease this text to maybe 12 pixel. Yes, I think 12 pixel. Yeah, that's it. I will also make sure the font weight is I think medium is fine. No, it needed to be regular. Perfect. By creating an account, you agree to our term condition. So in here we have trick. So this is different color, and in here this is different color, since these are lengths, right? So I will first thing first, I will give all this color. Perfect. Now I will manually select this term of service and maybe give it white color, and privacy policy, give it white color, and we forgot this dot. Okay, so now this page is also almost created. I'm holding shift to make sure to select everything and then drag it to the right like this. Okay, I will make sure it's a little bit down. Okay, perfect. Very easy. Okay, wonderful. Okay, perfect. So now I will just write it at least. Again, I will make sure to give it left align, and this one should be also left align. This one should be also left align. Okay, so if I'm typing, I don't have to replace it again. Okay, at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one number. Perfect. So yeah, we have created almost each and every screen, just one or two remain. Okay, perfect. I will just copy it and make sure I give it a name as entering password. Okay, so this is very easy. In here now you can see over here we have just those like password is enter, and it's each and every instruction is successfully completed. Okay, so I will just draw maybe dots, or maybe we can draw it. Okay, all right, maybe we draw circles, or just draw like this. Okay, I will make sure to increase the size like this. Okay, and make sure now this is gone because this text is upper align. Let me make it middle align, and also I will give it yes, I think this is fine. I'm not sure why it's not like this. Maybe let's make it bottom align so it's perfect. Okay, now again let me give it decrease the letter spacing as well, and boom, align it to the left, and I will make it white color. So the password is now that's how when we enter the password, that's how it looks. But I will just decrease the size to maybe 64. Yeah, perfect. Now we have entering password entered. I'm not good with, I'm good with the spelling. You don't say like this. Okay, perfect. Now I need to draw this check, and we need to colorize this with the green. Okay, so to draw this, it is very easy. I will, with the help of this pen tool, I will draw 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and since the roundness, we need to round the edges, and to do that I will just round this like this and round this. Okay, now what I need to do is to select this, copy this and paste over here, and I will just delete those. Okay, selecting this layer with the help of command and one select, and now control V, command V. Okay, perfect. Now again, yeah, this is fine. I will select this again, delete these manually and paste it. Okay, delete it, paste, delete it, paste. Perfect. Very easy, very easy. And last thing that we need to do is to select the color. So with the help of color picker, now I will just hit I, so it's mean color picker is automatically selected, and boom, I select this color. So to do it manually, I can do it like this and select this layer, and with the help of color picker I can change it very easy. Okay, so boom, now we created this screen as well. Very easy, right? And I will just delete it.